everyone, welcome to Burkeshire Farm.
Hi everyone, I'm Frank.
And I'm Jackie.
And today we got another project going on. We've done now a couple of videos of, we went to Tractor Supply and got us some chickens. And they are 3 weeks old as of yesterday. And they're just about fully feathered, believe it or not. They're about 4 times as big as when we got them.
It's amazing how fast they grow.
How fast they're going. And today we plan on bringing them outside for just a little while. It's going to be about mid-80s. And like I say, they're almost fully feathered. At 3 weeks, we can bring them out for about 30 minutes. So in order to do that, we
purchased a enclosed cage chicken coop. And we're going to put that together today. But first, I think we're going to go look at the chickens.
Yep, let's go take a peek at them. As I mentioned before, our chickens are getting pretty good size. So you can see what I've done is I've just about made them almost like a little jungle gym. They can come out of one of the small tote brooder into an open cage, and they absolutely love the extra space.
So the whole chicken coop came in this box. First thing we're going to do is inventory. All right, so far we checked everything off, and everything that was supposed to be in the box is in the box. So there's score number 1. Well, actually it would be score number 2, because everything that came in the box, there was nothing, it looks like nothing was damaged. So that's score number 1. Score number 2, everything is here. We don't have to either try and figure out, okay, do we have something in the shed that we can find, or contact them and then have to wait forever for them to send us a piece. So, yay!
Really and truly, we could have built a chicken coop. One of the reasons we went this route is, I mean, the price of lumber, believe it or not, this is going to be less than the lumber that I figured to build a chicken coop. And what we want to do is we want something that's mobile. So I'm going to figure out a way to beef up the bottom of this all the way around, either with a 2x4, 20-foot 2x4 or 20-foot 2x6, to beef it up on the bottom, tie it all in together, and be able to put wheels that will flip up and down to be able to move this thing.
Alright, the first thing that we have found as a flaw is this one doesn't have those popping clips that come out to be able to snap in. So Frank said they're easy to buy. We'll get some. We have some somewheres, but until we can find them, we're just going to put it together. The other thing is Frank is having to widen the hole because it kind of got smushed. It's kind of flat, so he has to try and round it so it can slide in. That's the first thing we've seen so far, but not too major. that works.
It works. All right. Okay.
It's all put together. The only thing that you needed extra tools for was putting the door together. As you could see, you did need a drill to put the screws in and a little wrench to tighten down the bolts.
12 millimeter.
It's a 12 millimeter
And an 8 millimeter driver.
So you have to have metrics to be able to do that. Other than that, it was all on hands. So now comes the fun part, and that is putting the screen on. I did take a peek already ahead in the instructions. We will need scissors for that to cut the screen. So here we go.
So we had, I think, a good idea, and that is this whole thing of chicken wire is supposed to be attached to this with zip ties. But where we start right here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the wire and wrap it around the pipe, and then we cut the ends off to where we got just about a 1/2 inch of wire sticking straight out. This part of the bob wire, or the chicken wire, is sticking out, so where we can take that and tie it around the next wire to just kind of loop it around that pipe. I think that's going to hold a lot better if we can get it even.
So what I'm doing is I'm pulling the chicken wire a little bit close. Well, I'm trying to pull this little 3/4 of an inch, trying to pull it tight this way, and then bring the chicken wire in. And then I bring the wire down and around, and I just kind of twist it around that other one to hold it in place, and then take these little pliers here and finish twisting it, because my fingers are not strong enough to twist it the whole way.
And I'm sorry, Jackie's having to do this because my fingers are too fat. I can't get them between the pipes to pull on it, so that's why Jackie's having to do that.
I don't mind.